Welcome to our trimmer showdown. Today we are comparing two popular grooming tools, the Andis Professional T-Outliner and the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5. We'll dive into their features, performance, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for precision or versatility, we've got you covered. The Andis T-Outliner is renowned for its close shave, thanks to its carbon steel T-blade and powerful motor. It excels in providing precise lineups and dry shaving, making it a favorite among barbers and grooming enthusiasts. On the other hand, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 offers versatility with its multiple attachments, allowing users to achieve various styles and lengths, though it may not match the Andis in terms of closeness. While the Andis T-Outliner is primarily designed for beard and hair trimming, its corded design limits its versatility. In contrast, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 shines with its 8-in-1 functionality, featuring various attachments for beard trimming, body grooming, and hair clipping, making it a comprehensive grooming solution for men. The Andis T-Outliner operates corded, which can limit mobility during use, making it less convenient for some users. In contrast, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 is cordless and waterproof, providing users with the freedom to groom anywhere, even in the shower. This added convenience makes it an attractive option for those looking for flexibility in their grooming routine. In conclusion, both the Andis T-Outliner and the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 offer unique features tailored to different grooming needs. The Andis is perfect for those who prioritize precision and a close shave, while the Braun provides versatility and convenience for all grooming tasks. Make sure to consider your personal preferences and grooming habits when choosing between these two excellent products. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.